Hi, in this we are learning about the process of condition handling or control flow of the program using if conditions. There are three categories of the if condition. Simple if condition follows if the condition or expression we use and will be terminated by colon, and the statements of the condition will be followed by the indentation for the next line. Similar the fashion if and else condition when we use if the condition followed by the termination of the condition and else. Let us see the implementation of the programs to understand each of it. Now here with the implementation of the condition with our program where it follows. Anyway, we are using Python of 3.x version, so all inputs are used with the function as an input, and raw input was used for our old version, that is 2 version of Python, so hence this is not to be considered. Now I'll take the input of the value where I call enter the number, so I input the number something, and default input followed by the input function will be always a string format. Hence we convert the value into the number by using float of x and divided by the number. Here it where we will get the value of its division. Similar the fashion I take for the remainder value of the number. Fine. Now what is my conditional verification? I want to do the conditional calculation float of given number divided by 2 for remainder. If it is equal to 0, then that is an even number. Notice here if condition will be handled by colon to say conditional validation expression is ended here. The next line of the statement for the output message will be followed by the indentation, so we provide indentation below the if. The same with else condition also. Else has no expression anyway, but it must be handled by colon to say this is the end of else keyword. Then we display the message as an even number or odd number. Here with where we can find the code of it. I will execute this program Python followed by the name of my file. Test the condition for our output. So enter the number. I have given the input value as say 5. 5 is an odd number because the remainder will not be 0. Let us check one more the number. 6 divided by 2, remainder is 0, so it is an even number. Now let us apply with one more the level of condition with the multi-level if condition over here. Accepting two numbers x and y, when x equal to y, we will display the message as the numbers are equal or same. If x is greater than y, say I'll show the greater value is this or greater value is y. Here in this if will be used instead of else if. If at all you are going to separate it as an else, has no identity by the Python compiler, we have to make it as an elif itself. Otherwise we have to split it into nested if condition. So here we follow multi-level if condition to test for the comparison of two numbers. Entered first number and second number, they are same. Entered first number and second number, 5 is greater. Entered first number and second number will go with 7 is greater. So this is how where we can go with multi-level if conditions. Now let us see one more the approach where we can go with the nested if condition. Here this is condition inside the condition. For our understanding sake, I'll take the input of std code from the user and I'll take the zone as zone code. 1, 2, 3, 4 would be the zone code. If the STD code is in between the range of given numbers, say greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 40, if the condition is successful, then it will go to the inner part of the condition, that is nested behavior. If your zone code is 1, say north. If zone code is 2, say south. If neither north nor south, we will say unknown zone or unknown value. So here where we can end the condition of it. If it is out of the range between 1 to 40, we can say other location. Let us handle this as a part of our condition over here. I will enter STD code, let us say 20, it is in between 1 to 40, zone code. I'll take the zone code as, say, any of the number, I'll take it as an 2, south zone. Okay, so this is how where we can go with the multi-level if condition.